guys, it's Heather from Strings and Threads. Today we're going to learn how to do the moss stitch border. I already just did a little square here just to show us how to do it. But these are great. This is a great border for blankets, for washcloths, whatever you want. So we're going to join with a different color here. If you're using the same color, you won't have to join. There's different ways of joining. This is the way I like to do it. I know that there are other ways you can join whatever way you want. So I just basically made a little loop here with a little bit of a tail. And then I pulled that loop through the stitch. And now when you do it this way, you do have to crochet the tail in because otherwise it will pull out. So chain one, and all we're going to do is put a single crochet into the first stitch, chain one, skip one. I'm still crocheting in the tail, single crochet into this stitch, chain one, skip one, single crochet into that next one, chain one, skip one. That's the whole pattern that we're going to do going around. Chain one. Now on the corner, I'm actually not going to skip one because otherwise it gets a little bit tight or pulls a little bit. So on those two corner stitches, I'm still going to chain one, just not going to skip one. So the two corner stitches you don't skip. So chain one. Now we're going to go back to skipping one. Let's do that all the way around and then we'll come back for the next directions. This is how it looks with one round, and it's very dainty. You can leave it like that. Gives it a really pretty edge. But if you'd like, you can continue to do more rows. So what you'll do is you'll join with the first one. And chain one. We're going to single crochet into the first stitch. It just keeps it a lot nicer. But then we're going to kind of go into the chain space and do a single crochet, chain one, skip the single crochet, go into the chain space, do a single crochet, chain one, go into the chain space, and we'll do that all the way around. When I get back to the beginning here, now on the corner we'll kind of do the same thing where we won't skip one. So we'll just do chain one, go into the single crochet, just so that, because around the corner it gets really tight. I don't know why I can't get into that stitch. Must be nervous. And then chain one and go into the chain one space. Now that we're around the corner, we'll chain one, skip the single crochet, go into the chain space. All right, continue that around. I'll come back when my round is finished, and then we'll take a look at it. That is so pretty with two rounds. You can choose to continue if you wanted to have a bigger border. For me, the sweet spot is two. One looks okay, it looks kind of dainty, but the sweet spot for me is two because you can really see the texture of the stitch. And it just, I don't know, it just really adds something to the outline of a square. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.